We have a 2020 Chevy Tahoe. We're going to do 2 key copies, super chip. So we use the B119 key shell, VVDI mini key tool. Now we will take our device and connect to the app. And we're gonna start. We're gonna put the customer original key. We're gonna do a transponder clone, read transponder. As we can see, clonable. We're gonna do clone. We're gonna start the process. We're gonna choose 46 transponder clone. Original key. Now it's gonna ask us to sniff the immobilizer. So we're gonna put the key. We're gonna hold the VVDI with the antenna here. Open. You open it, close, take out the key. We're gonna take back the mini key tool, and it still asks us to put back the key. We will put back the key. It will collect the data now. Now it will ask us to take it out and put the super chip. Recognized. Success. We're gonna do complete. We're gonna take the key shell and put the chip inside.
If you do it correctly.
I'm gonna take the key we made, put it in the ignition, and we'll wait for the security light to go out. There you go, security light is off. Car is on.